Hello, Professor. This is Ali Reza. This is midterm assignment. I want to explain you what I did. I created the movie abstract class. As you can see, this is movie abstract class. I declared 7 variables as the question requested us. The title, rating, and director, and genre, and year, and language, and ticket price with all these type. We we have to initialize the getter and setters for all these values. Here I instantiate the getters, except we shouldn't instantiate the setters for ticket price, and for a getter we shouldn't abstract method set ticket price. Yes, for ticket price, yes, for ticket price we shouldn't instantiate the setter and a getter uh, for that. Yes, for genre. So here I made all of them setters here, and getters as well. And also, as the question requested us, we have to implement two constructors. They are abstract methods. The one with set ticket price, and other one is get genre. So these are the abstract methods. And also we have to instantiate the toString method that we can display the value or details of the movie. I can concatenate it the all values here like this. And also we have to create other three subclasses here. The one is children movie with overrided of these two abstract method which we have created in the movie here. We created these two abstract methods, so here we have to override them. But here we have to say how much discount it has. So for children movies it has 10% discount, and also we had to create another subclasses which is comedy movies. So in comedy movies we have to override those two abstract method which we had in the movie. So in the comedy movie we have 5% discount, and also in this class thriller movie, also because they are all inherited from movie, we have to override the abstract method which we had in the movie. So in the drive part we had to display them. We have to in the input box, in the show input detail dialog, we have to create I have imported the scanner here, and also displayed the I got the user input first, and then I displayed the values which I already had here, and also I print them out in the main, which is the runnable section in the project. That's all. This is my midterm test. Thank you, Professor. Have a good day.